this question, and this question. One of it is not in your syllabus, but it was in my board exam set. And the other two are quite difficult to learn because there is no data given, just basis way you are going to answer it, and you have to learn every minor detail, which is quite not possible. So, how are you going to do it then? Easily and in a way which is a hack for all of it. Well, let me help you out with all of this. I am Avika. I scored 98.4% in my class 10 CBSE board exams. Currently, I'm a CBSE class 11th grader. PCB I have taken as my stream, and this video is going to be super informational. This is maybe one of the best videos that you are going to see for class 10th SST. Not praising myself, this is a fact that you'll definitely agree with by the end of this video. Watch it till the end and do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for all new notifications. So basically we are going to cover for all four parts of SST: history, geography, economics, and political science. If you find them difficult, change your damn mindset. It's all in your mind that you do not understand it. एक बार interest लगा के पढ़ोगे, you'll definitely get it. Now, everything that we are going to cover is really, really beneficial, and it's going to contain predicted questions for your board exams, जो exactly उठ के आने वाले हैं. How do I know it? Because I practiced tons of sample question papers, maybe 15 to 20 sample question papers, last 10 years of previous year question papers, and so many resources. And yet I lost 1 marks in SST. Well, that's because of a question which was not in our syllabus. So let me tell you all of those predicted questions ताकि तुम्हारे marks बच जाए. Now, first of all, the type of questions that you are going to see in your history exam. पहले MCQs में तुम्हें दिखेंगे chronology वाले questions, जिसके लिए तुम्हें क्या करना है, हर चैप्टर की एक टाइमलाइन बनाओ एक white sheet पे. Take a white sheet of paper, write the timeline chronologically from wherever the chapter starts till the end, so that you know what year what happened. And when you will revise it regularly, you are definitely going to learn it. So do not worry about that. Secondly, in your SST exam for history, you're also going to see some basic questions like which you might have seen in your pre-boards and boards, like what 2-3 features that might have happened during that period, or some changes that might have happened after the Britishers came to India, changes in the economic situation, such questions which you have often seen in sample question papers, previous year question papers. You'll get to know these by practicing a lot of questions. Okay, so you have to invest in a good refresher. I would recommend Educard. And if you are quite confused about any batches that you want to buy, go for Abhay. It's a great batch. Now, more for history. Dekho, none of this was sponsored. Now, when there are some boxes in your history, this is a really, really important tip. There are boxes in your history book, like blue color ke boxes, yellow color ke boxes, more to know, read more. Those you will exactly find exactly the entire text of those box in your board exam as a case based question. Literally, when you return from your boards, you would remember that ये तो कहीं देखा दिखा है, because it's in your book. You have to read it thoroughly. You have to find out any hard word if it's there in that box जिसका आंसर उसमें नहीं given है, or any questions which are unanswered. Find the answers, find the meanings of the questions, because there 4 marks का केस बेस्ड आएगा और उसमें डेफिनेटली तुमसे पूछा जाएगा. ओके, सो इट्स रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट मेरी जान. नाउ ज्योग्राफी आई हैड दिस क्वेश्चन विच इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट द स्टेट्स ऑफ द मिनरल. अब देखो, इतने सारे मिनरल्स हैं, इतने सारे एग्रीकल्चरल क्रॉप्स है, टेक्सटाइल्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट फैक्ट्रीज. इतना सारा नॉलेज यू कैन नॉट सिंपली मग अप because you are going to get confused. So what's the solution? Make mnemonics. Some mnemonics I made for myself. If you want, I can share the entire syllabus mnemonics that I made, and you can also modify it by yourself. If you want it, then you can comment about it. I'll definitely share it ताकि तुम सब अच्छे से उससे पढ़ के I'll provide a PDF and तुम्हें ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. Secondly, for geography, जो read to know और more to know के छोटे छोटे से boxes that you'll see in your book, they are going to be there in your MCQs. Clearly देखोगे तुम वहाँ जाके previous questions देख लो, you will find it there too. Now, also for map, one thing that is the best tip that you'll get for geography for map is, from years CBSE had been asking specific places to mark in the map, but now from the past 1 year since my board exams, CBSE has changed this pattern completely, even though it was there in the sample question papers for past 2 to 3 years, but it wasn't there in the boards, which is in map questions, they do not ask directly to mark the place. They ask questions, not only for history but for geography too, like mark a state where coal is found. It's not like any specifically coal mine is asked, it's just like mark a coal mine, it's like mark a nuclear plant, or along the southwestern coast, or mark the most southeastern कोस्ट पे जो भी सी पोर्ट्स है. इसके अलावा यू विल सी क्वेश्चंस लाइक मार्क द एयरपोर्ट मेड बाय so and so, or mark the airport named after Rajiv Gandhi ji. So these type of questions you are not going to find anywhere. So how you are going to solve it in your board exams? देखो जो भी chapters है, like chapter 7 and 8, the highways one, they are not in your syllabus, but the maps are coming from those chapters. So for once or twice read the NCERT. For once it's necessary, अच्छे से NCERT read करो, mark those points specifically where it's given that the southwestern कोस्ट पे दिस इज द पोर्ट एंड साउथ ईस्टर्न पे दिस इज द पोर्ट, और एनी पोर्ट वेयर the waves are so and so, or any specific quality about that port which makes it unique from others, that can be asked in your boards. तो वो तुम्हें specifically रीडिंग करके पता चल जाएगी. Now also next PYQ सॉल्व करोगे तो तुम्हें बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पता चल जाएंगे. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन एसएसटी आर pretty interesting and easy too. The difficult part is case based and MCQs, also the map. Now for economics there was this question. No table was given, no data was given, you had to mark it as per what you remember. पूरी इकोनॉमिक्स की बुक में इतनी सारी टेबल्स है अबाउट जीडीपी, हर एक का जीडीपी यू वोंट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर. तो तुम्हें नेमोनिक्स के फॉर्म में लर्न करने के, ठीक है, टॉप पे इन कंट्रीज का जीडीपी है, अगर वो क्रोनोलॉजिकली पूछ ले, अगर वो किसी भी वे में पूछ ले, जैसे मेरे बोर्ड से पूछा था वैसे पूछ ले, सो दैट यू रिमेंबर कि कौन सी कंट्री का हायर है एज कंपेयर टू द कंट्रीज गिवन इन द ऑप्शंस. ओके, इसके बाद में द स्टोरीज इन योर इकोनॉमिक्स बुक, जो भी स्टोरीज रहती है कि रामलता दिस शी वाज अ फार्मर, शी टुक अ लोन, दैट टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी कैन बी आस्क्ड इन योर केस बेस्ड एंड कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. उसमें रहेगा क्वेश्चंस लाइक इमेजिन आई हैव 2 pots, देन आई नीड राइस, द अदर पर्सन हैज राइस एंड ही नीड्स 2 pots, so we are going to exchange is what is this system called? This is known as barter system. So this kind of questions, this is a pretty easy one, I think the easiest of all, but इस टाइप की competency में पूछा जाता है, and this is competency based questions, do not worry about it at all. Now for political science, if you hate political science, I can relate with you totally, because I was like politics का meaning क्या है until I did some MUNs and now I love politics. So the political science के लिए first step that would be is change your mindset. तुम अगर दिमाग में बिठा लोगे that you won't be able to do it, then तुमसे नहीं होगा. Okay, secondly, the pictures are really really important. The memes and those caricatures that are given, caricatures होते हैं, memes नहीं अभी का, the caricatures that are given, उनके नीचे छोटे छोटे टेक्स्ट लिखा रहता है कि this was in this year, like Putin is this, the character जो भी उसमें बना हुआ है, that this depicts Putin, this depicts the government, this depicts democracy. ऐसे तुम्हारे MCQ में एग्जैक्ट फोटो आ जाएगी and you'll be asked. A PDF of all these questions for history is in the description. Don't forget to check that out. More to know facts आ रहते हैं तुम्हारे political science में, that are also very important. Questions from previous year questions, तुम previous year question paper solve करोगे, you'll get to know. Now one more very very important tip for political science, which is languages. For once, search on Google about all the languages which are spoken in the states of India and get an idea about it. Just read it once, then specifically remember specifically remember 2 languages for each state of India and union territories too, so that अगर मेरी तरह बोर्ड्स में तुम्हारे पूछ ले तो तुम्हारा 1 marks ना जाए. I could have potentially scored 100 but I lost that mark. So I think I have effectively saved your marks in your board exams. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I love you all.